Learning AI tools won't save your job. Most people get this wrong, and the mistake feels counterintuitive. So let's break it down. You've probably heard this advice: just learn Chat GPT. It sounds smart, but it's incomplete because tools only give temporary advantage. Here's why tools don't actually protect your job. Every AI tool eventually becomes standard. Early on, it gives you an advantage, but once it's common, it becomes an expectation. When everyone has the same tool, no one stands out. So, what actually matters? Thinking, decision making, ownership. AI amplifies what you already are. Good thinkers get stronger, weak thinkers fail faster. AI doesn't create value, it reveals it. So stop asking this question: what AI tool should I learn? Start asking this instead: what decisions do I actually own at work? Tools come and go, value stays. Subscribe if you want to stay valuable.